What if you could make money while you sleep, or while you're out with friends, on vacation, or just watching a movie? This isn't some far-fetched dream. This is the very real power of passive income. It's about setting up systems that generate money for you with very little ongoing effort. Unlike a traditional job where you trade time for a paycheck, passive income streams work for you around the clock. They unchain you from needing to be physically present, giving you back your most valuable asset, your time. But the path often seems complicated. Many think it requires a huge upfront investment like buying real estate or launching a viral business. But opportunities are all around us. You just need to see the value in the resources you already have. And one of the most powerful, underutilized assets is sitting on your desk right now. That's right, your computer. Beyond daily tasks, your machine has incredible untapped potential. Its processing power is valuable in the digital marketplace. By learning to leverage this power, you can turn your computer from a consumption tool into an active asset that generates passive income. Let's start with one of the most well-known ways to monetize your computer's power: cryptocurrency mining. Think of it as digital accounting. When a crypto transaction happens, it needs to be verified and added to a public ledger called the blockchain. To add these transactions, computers compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles. This is the mining. The computer that solves it first gets to add the new block of transactions, and as a reward, its owner receives new cryptocurrency. Instead of going it alone, most people join a mining pool, combining their computer power to solve puzzles faster and share the rewards. The most crucial component for mining is a powerful graphics card, or GPU, found in most gaming PCs. Before you start, use a profitability calculator to see if mining is viable with your hardware and electricity costs. Getting started is simple. Get a digital wallet, download user-friendly mining software, connect to a pool, and click Start. The reward is obvious: a stream of passive income that can help pay bills or build a portfolio of digital assets. However, the risks are real. The biggest is electricity cost. Mining uses a lot of power, and you must ensure your earnings outweigh the higher bill. Constant use also creates heat and wear on your hardware, and the value of the coins you earn can fluctuate dramatically. Despite the risks, for those with the right hardware and cheap electricity, mining can be a rewarding way to make your PC work for you. Beyond crypto, there's another fascinating world: distributed computing. Imagine a gigantic problem that no single computer can solve alone. The idea is to break that problem into micro-tasks and distribute them across a vast network of individual computers all over the world. Your computer receives a small work package, uses its idle power to solve it, and sends the result back. You become part of a global supercomputer, helping with CGI rendering, AI training, or even scientific research to find cures for diseases. Commercial platforms act as a marketplace, connecting businesses who need power with people like you, willing to provide it. It's a direct transaction. You provide computational work, and you get paid for it, often in dollars or gift cards. The software is smart. It runs quietly in the background and pauses the moment you start using your computer, so it never slows you down. The income is generally more stable than crypto mining. It's a great low-effort way to monetize a resource that would otherwise be wasted. It's also often less intensive on your hardware and electricity, improving your net profit. If you're finding these ideas useful, take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments which method sounds most interesting to you so far. Now for our third method. Beyond processing power, there's another resource you pay for but rarely use fully: your internet bandwidth. Unless you're constantly streaming on multiple devices, much of your internet connection, that digital highway, sits empty. This unused bandwidth is valuable. Businesses need it to do things like verify local prices or check search engine rankings from a real residential IP address. By securely routing their traffic through your connection, they get the data they need, and you get paid for sharing. If you're a gamer, you know lag can ruin the experience. That's why many communities rent private servers for a smooth, customized game. If you have a powerful PC and a fast internet connection, you can host that server yourself and rent it out. You become a small business owner. You set the rules, the price, and advertise to gaming communities. Players chip in a monthly fee. This recurring revenue can cover your costs and leave a tidy profit, making it a potentially lucrative side hustle. A similar hosting opportunity is decentralized cloud storage. Instead of storing files on corporate servers, this new model uses a network of individuals. When a file is uploaded, it's encrypted, broken into pieces, and spread across the network. It's more private, secure, and resilient. You can become a landlord for this data. Platforms let you rent out your unused hard drive space to the network. You install the software, allocate your spare space, and get paid for the storage and bandwidth you provide, usually in cryptocurrency. Both hosting methods require more initial setup and some maintenance, but they offer much higher earning potential than other, more passive options. What if you could contribute to finding a cure for cancer or understanding the universe and get paid for it? For decades, projects like Folding at Home and Boance have used volunteer computing power for research. Now, a new model adds a financial incentive. By connecting your computer to these projects through reward systems, you can earn cryptocurrency for the processing power you contribute. Your computer helps run complex simulations for real-world problems, and your effort is recognized with a tangible asset. The setup is simple. You install the scientific software, connect it to a reward platform like Gridcoin, and let it run. The financial rewards are modest. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. The payment is best seen as a subsidy to cover your electricity costs. The real motivation is often the sense of contribution. You're helping advance human knowledge while earning a little on the side. If your sole goal is profit, other methods may be better. But if you want to make a tangible contribution, this path is unparalleled. So there you have it. 5 incredible ways to turn your computer into an income-generating asset. Each method has unique rewards and risks. The right choice depends on your hardware, your electricity costs, and your personal goals. Before you dive in, remember the importance of doing your own thorough research. The digital landscape is always changing. And a necessary disclaimer, we are not financial advisors. This video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research and consult a professional if you are not comfortable making financial decisions on your own. Now go take a look at that computer on your desk. Your passive income journey might be just a few clicks away.